Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm reviewing the Samsung's Galaxy Buds Live earbuds. The Galaxy Buds Live bring a bold, unorthodox design to the table, and today we're going to talk all about it. From sound and comfort to battery life and active noise cancellation, I'll be covering everything you need to know before you spend your money on these little earbuds. Also, the link to these earbuds will be included in the video description below. Let's kick things off with the unboxing experience. As expected from Samsung, it's clean, minimal, and premium. Inside the box, you get the Buds Live themselves in their glossy charging case, some extra wingtips for fit, a USB-C charging cable, and the usual paperwork. Now here's where things start to get interesting. These aren't your average earbuds. The shape is unlike anything else on the market. Sleek, kidney bean shaped, completely stemless, and finished in high gloss plastic. The design is polarizing, no doubt about it, but it definitely turns heads. They are offered in colors like Mystic Bronze, Mystic Black, and Mystic White. All of them look sharp and feel high-end. The charging case is compact, square-shaped, and flips open like a mini clamshell. It's pocketable, durable, and magnetically snaps shut. You can feel the build quality the moment you touch it. Now let's talk about fit, because this is where the Buds Live either click for you or don't. Samsung calls this an open-type design, and what that means is the earbuds don't actually go into your ear canal. Instead, they nestle into the outer part of your ear, resting right above the canal without sealing it off. For some people, this design is a dream. There is zero ear pressure, they're super breathable, and you barely feel them during use. If you hate the suction effect of silicone ear tips, these might be your new favorite. But fit is also subjective. The Bud Live either sits perfectly and stays put, or they slide around and feel loose. It really depends on your ear shape. If you have smaller ears, you might struggle with getting a stable fit, but if they fit you well, these can be some of the most comfortable buds you have worn all day. Now onto the sound, because let's be honest, no matter how cool they look, if they don't sound good, they're not worth it. The Galaxy Buds Live come equipped with 12mm AKG tuned drivers, and they sound surprisingly full for something that doesn't go deep in your ear. The open design means you're not going to get the same level of bass as you would from sealed in-ear buds, but Samsung's tuning does a solid job of compensating. The mids and highs are clear, vocals come through nicely, and the low end is present, just not super punchy. You're not going to get earth-shaking bass, but the overall balance is great for casual listening, music, podcasts, videos, you name it. And if you use the Galaxy wearable app, you can tweak the EQ with presets like bass boost and clear, giving you a little more flexibility. By the way, prices on these earbuds update almost weekly with sales and other general price drops, so if you want to find the most updated information, simply check out the video description and you'll find the latest prices. And of course, if you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Now let's move to noise cancellation, which was one of the headline features of the Buds Live. Yes, these have ANC, but because of the open design, it's not the same kind of noise cancellation you get from something like the Galaxy Buds Pro or Sony WF-1000XM5. Samsung calls it ANC for open type, and honestly, it's more of a low-frequency hum reduction. It can knock out things like fan noise, AC units, or the rumble of a train, but don't expect it to block out voices or high-pitched sounds. Since there is no physical seal, ambient noise still seeps in. So is it real ANC? Technically yes, but practically it's more like a subtle noise softener than a full-on silence generator. Still, for an open earbud design, it's impressive they managed to fit ANC in at all. Now let's talk about microphone and call quality, because Samsung really pushed the Buds Live as good earbuds for phone calls. There are 3 mics on each bud, including a voice pickup unit that detects jaw movement to improve vocal clarity. In quiet environments, they perform exceptionally well. Your voice comes through crisp and clean. In noisy places like a windy street or a crowded cafe, they still hold up better than most earbuds at this price point. Background noise gets reduced and your voice stays relatively intelligible. Are they perfect for calls? Not quite, but they are reliable enough that you can confidently take work calls, Zoom meetings, or FaceTime chats without worrying about sounding muffled or robotic. Now let's talk about battery life. Now, battery life is another strong point. The Buds Live offers around 6 hours of playback with ANC on and up to 8 hours with ANC off. The charging case provides an additional 15 to 20 hours depending on your settings. Charging is super flexible. You got USB-C for fast wired charging and QI wireless charging support. Even better, if you have a Samsung phone with wireless power share, you can charge your buds right off the back of your phone in a pinch. A quick 5-minute charge gives you about an hour of playback, which is perfect if you're in a rush. Overall, you're looking at all-day use without battery anxiety. Connectivity is top-notch, especially for Samsung users. If you're using a Galaxy phone, you get fast pairing, low latency mode, and seamless switching between Samsung devices. It's not quite Apple AirPods level integration, but it's close. The Galaxy Wearable app adds even more value. You can check battery levels, adjust EQ settings, enable or disable ANC, and customize the touch controls. The last part is especially handy because the touchpads on the Buds Live are very sensitive. You can assign tabs for play, pause, skip, voice assistant, or even volume control. Just be prepared for a few accidental touches until you get the hang of it. And yes, these do support Bixby Voice Wake Up. If you're using Samsung's ecosystem, it's convenient, though many users still prefer a Google Assistant or Alexa. The Buds Live are rated IPX2 for water resistance. That means they can handle a few drops of sweat or light rain, but they are not made for intense workouts or exposure to heavy moisture. That said, the build quality is solid. The glossy finish may pick up fingerprints, but everything feels sturdy. The hinge on the case is robust, the magnets are strong, and the earbuds themselves can definitely handle the wear and tear of daily use. Now, if you are in the Samsung ecosystem, you'll love the seamless integration. And if you want something stylish, comfortable, and just a little bit different, these check a lot of boxes. They're ideal for casual listeners, commuters, remote workers, and anyone who prioritizes comfort over complete isolation. But if you're a frequent flyer, a bass head, or you need strong ANC for noisy environments, you might want to look at other options. At the end of the day, the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live are a bold move from a company that's not afraid to try something different. They're not perfect, but they offer a unique blend of style, comfort, and functionality that you won't find anywhere else. So guys, let me know in the comments, are you planning to pick up these earbuds or are you going to stick with what you already have? That's it for this video, guys. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if this video is helpful, and make sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on these earbuds. See you in the next one.